Greetings all of our friends at Schoner Roofing Company. I'm here in Limpopo, South Africa, and I just want to take a moment to really thank you for your incredible investment that you as a company made into our leadership center here at Jabulani Africa Ministries. I just briefly want to tell you what this is about. So your company made it possible for us to have an entire solar system that powers our center. Now, just a quick recap of what happens here. This is what we call the hub. It's not only where our full-time families live and staff. It's not only where we have our offices, but we do leadership events and we host missionary teams. And I think it's so cool that every time that we switch on a light, every time we use an appliance, when we have worship and use our speakers, when we switch on a water pump, you are a part of us. Our mission at JAM is to develop and support leaders to impact Africa for Christ. And we know very clearly that this needs a team to accomplish this mission, and you are part of our team through your investment. And may each of you that work at this company know that whether you are working on admin or actually putting on a roof, you're not only blessing people in the United States, but you're making a massive impact through your company here in Africa. Thank you, thank you, thank you.